packaging is not coming off. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we have the new Charlotte Tilbury Hot Lips 2, and this is going to be my first impression and also unboxing. Looking at the website, these lipsticks retail for $37, and I actually, instead of getting only the lipsticks, I got the duo of the lip liner and lipstick for $54, and I got 3 shades. Also, one of the most exciting thing about this collection is the packaging is completely different, and also you can refill the lipstick. That's so cool. The refill is gonna be $25, and this is how it looks inside. Oh my god, this is so stunning. This is extremely high-end makeup, believe me. I love this brand. And the note says, give a woman the right makeup, she can conquer the world. This is literally what this thing says. And then on the other side it says, for the best YouTuber. This envelope is so fancy. Oh my god. So here we basically have how to return the product if we don't like it, and then here is the information of what I ordered. So let's keep in this in hand for the colors, and I also picked some samples. So let's keep this one in hand just to make sure that I give you the proper information about everything. And here we go. Oh my god. So let's open this. I'm so extremely excited about this. This is the first time I ordered directly from them. If I'm not mistaken, this line is going to be available in the store today. So you can go online and also the store, Sephora, to see it in person, swipe them, look at them, make sure that you love them. So, but they don't come like individually packed. So here are the 3 liners, and here are the 3 lipsticks. And what I see already is the packaging, outside packaging is completely different. So look at that, they're so beautiful. Oh my god. So one is kind of like stripes, the other one is kind of like a red stripes with a panther, and this one is also like a black with gold pink stars and moon. So let's take a look at the lipsticks first, and then we take a look at the liners. Also, my samples were basically the foundations because I don't have them and I would love to try them, so I ordered some of the colors to make sure that I pick the right color. And the first one that I want to open is this little guy here. This is in the shade JK Magic. Let's open this one and see how it looks like. When you open it up, it looks like this. So it basically is sliced on it, so it's kind of like different than the regular ones, but this is the component, and oh my god, this is so cute. It has the C. Let me try to see if you can see it. Beautiful, brand new from packaging. That's the beautiful C in rose gold. And let's open this one. It's hard to open. Let's look at it, and it looks perfect. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It has a beautiful color to it. It's stunning. Let me show you how it looks in a swipe. This is how JK looks like. It's so stinky beautiful. I love it. The next one I have is Amazing Amal, and it's this one over here. Let's open this one up and see how it looks like. And again, when I push it, this is how you open it up. And it's this beautiful rose gold with black stripes to it. Let me try to focus and let you see this beauty. Oh my god, the component is luxury. This is very cute and expensive looking. And again, remember, you can have a refill of this for $25, and obviously at that point you can pick any color that you want. So let's see how this one looks like on the arm. Oh my god, you guys, this is so creamy and beautiful. Like, it's a dream come true. This color is stunning. I love it so much already. So pretty. Look at that. And the last one is this one that is the name Angel Alessandra. Let's open this one and see how it looks like. So there you go. Is the one that it has the red star straps and the panther. So beautiful. Let's look at the color. Oh my god, this is a beautiful pinkish nude color. I love it already. Let's see how it looks like. It's more like a peachy color actually, but it's very pretty. I'm trying to like show you in a nice way. It looks very pretty. I kind of like really like that one. That so far looks like my favorite one. It's so stunning. I'm a little disappointed the liners don't match with the names, so I'm gonna swipe all of them. I have pink Venice in here, and this one probably will go with I don't know, I will let you know when I finish all of them. So the next one obviously goes, this is Crazy in Love, obviously goes with the one that is kind of like reddish, which is Amazing Ammo. So I'm pretty sure that one goes with that one. So I'm gonna put it there, definitely, yes. So there you go. See, the liner is right there, so that goes with that. This one might go with this or might go with that one, so I'm gonna try to figure it out now. And the next one is Pillow Talk, which I have. So Pillow Talk I think would go better with this one. Yeah, definitely, I think so. JK Magic and Pillow Talk are right here. And then we have Amazing Ammo with this red one that is, the name is Crazy in Love. And then we have the last one was Angel Alexandra, which is this one that it goes really good with the pink Venice. Let me put it more next to it. I mean, pink Venus can go also with Pillow Talk. As you see, they're kind of like similar. Now let's try to remove them from the arm. And ooh, those lip liners don't come out that easy. I'm going to tell you, this is not coming so easy. And that is a good sign actually. Alright guys, my conclusion, these lipsticks are beautiful. I love the formula. It's very consistency with the previous collection. It's very similar packaging. The difference is basically that they have now print a little more colorful and kind of like fun colors on it besides only the rose gold, but the consistency is very good. It's similar to the previous one. I looked at the previous one before. I never pulled the trigger because I thought it was a little bit too expensive at the moment for me, but right now obviously since I'm reviewing so much luxury and very high-end makeup, this is more like my league at this point of my life. But definitely I recommend these ones if you really want to splurge on very good makeup. Charlotte Tilbury is one of the brands. As a first impression, I give this product 10 out of 10. I love how they look like, and I hope that you like this video. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you very soon in this video over here. Bye!